Hi there, I'm Hugo, co-founder of Quenza. I'm really excited to tell you more about the job crafting pathway that we've created for Quenza. When clients are not really satisfied with their current job, the most obvious option is, of course, to look for a different job. Job crafting introduces an alternative. Here, clients adjust their current job so that it better matches their strengths, their skills, and their values. Now, this process takes some time, of course, and various steps. So this is why we've created a pathway. This pathway takes clients by their hand and guides them through the whole process of job crafting so that they can find more meaning and engagement at work. Let me show you what it looks like. The job crafting pathway expansion can be found in the Pathways menu under Expansions. So, as you can see here, there are 7 steps included in this pathway, each guiding the client through the process of job crafting. Let's start with the first step, the introduction. So this is what clients will see when they open the pathway on their mobile device, desktop, or tablet. So this first step, the aim is to familiarize clients with the whole idea of job crafting, giving an overview of how it differs from traditional work design and what different types of job crafting they will go through. There are also some interactive questions, making it more engaging for the clients to complete this first step. What you will notice throughout the whole pathway is that we used a lot of examples to clarify the concepts, but also to make it easier for clients to apply the exercises to themselves. So this is something you will notice. We will use different examples of different occupations so that it becomes easy for clients to follow this pathway on their own. So let's have a look at the other steps of the pathway. The goal of the first 3 steps following the introduction is for clients to identify their values, strengths, and interests. This is important because those 3 are things that will be used in the crafting process. So after these 3 steps, the real process of crafting starts. So this starts at part 4. So let's have a look at part 4. This is about what we call task crafting. There is an introduction for clients, and right away they will start by considering how they can apply this first type of job crafting. Now, it's a bit too much to go through all the steps here, but what you will see is that we've used a lot of images and a lot of visual information for clients to understand what's going on. When clients have successfully completed part 4, task crafting, they will automatically move on to the next step in the pathway, which is about relational crafting, a different form of job crafting, and finally, cognitive crafting. At the very end of the pathway, there is also a reflection, asking clients to reflect on the pathway. Now, something that is worth mentioning is, first of all, is that progress will automatically be saved. Some steps in this pathway can be quite long, but that's no problem. Clients can always come back at a later moment. So progress is automatically saved, and clients can also do this manually if they want. So there is no need to complete everything at once. The second thing worth mentioning is that we've added extensive background information for every step of the pathway. This information is for you, the practitioner, and it shows the background, the scientific background of that step, the goal of the step, but also advice like what is the best way to help clients move through this step, references, and more. That's it. I really hope you will enjoy this pathway and it will help your clients to find more meaning and engagement at work. Take care. Bye.